Ever been lost or needed to share your location quickly? What if I told you there is a secret button in Messenger that lets you share your live location in real time? Stick around, I'll show you how to do it in just seconds. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the live location or send your live location on Messenger to someone or your friends. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Facebook Messenger and tap on the chat with the person you want to share your location with. And now look for the plus blue icon or 4-dot menu at the bottom, tap on it and a bunch of options will pop up. The next thing is to tap on the location. If it asks for permission, just allow it. Now here is the magic hit, share live location, and boom, your friend can see your movement in real time for up to 60 minutes. Change your mind, no worries, just tap stop sharing and your location disappears instantly. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.